Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you whether you should and how to enable optimized battery charging on your iPhone 17. At first I'll give you a short answer, then I'll elaborate, but if you want just a quick answer, then in most cases, yes, in most cases optimized battery charging will improve your battery longevity, and if you want to enable it, you should go to settings, then go to battery, and now scroll down until you find charging, go into that and make sure that optimized battery charging is enabled. Now I'll try elaborating on that so you actually understand what optimized battery charging does and when should you not enable it. So optimized battery charging learns your charging habits and based on that adjusts the charging patterns. Then charging patterns, what I mean by that is your phone may actually learn on what times you plug it in and will start, for example, charging to 80%, then pause charging and resume about an hour before you're expected to unplug it, or even less, depends on those habits that you have. And when you unplug it, it's at 100%, but still, like, your phone didn't overcharge, and overcharging isn't really a thing that may happen. It will never go to 101%, right? But what it means is the phone doesn't stay at 100% the whole night, because your battery cells don't really like being either at 0% or at 100%. The safest range is between 20 and 80%. So keeping your phone at 80 for as long as it can get without really limiting your battery capacity, because you can still charge to up to 100, it's, I think, really great. Now, I think you should enable it in most cases because it just helps you preserve that battery longevity. But in cases when you have like a very irregular sleep patterns, then maybe your phone will have a hard time learning your habits. Of course, if you're plugging it in at night, or if you just have irregular charging times, right? Or for example, if you have a situation when you plug your phone in and go to sleep, for example, and typically you would wake up at 6, let's say, but sometimes there is a moment that you would, instead of waking up at 6, you would wake up at 4 because of whatever, then you'll probably see your phone at 80%, and don't worry, it's not like you can't stop it, you can't resume the charging manually, because when you plug your phone in and the optimized battery charging is effective when you plug it in, so if it's in the times that it has learned, then, and sometimes when you plug it in a different time than typically, or in a time that your phone knows you're gonna unplug it soon, then it's just gonna charge normally. But in times like at night, right, when optimized battery charging starts to be effective, you'll see a notification. So when you slide down from the top of your screen, you'll see a notification that optimized battery charging is enabled and that it'll, for example, finish charging at 5 a.m. And you can click on that notification to actually select it to disable the optimized battery charging just for once, so it just cancels it and just charges up to 100. But sometimes you may just not notice it, or maybe that happens too often that you need to unplug it before it charges up to 100. then you may actually want to disable that feature. But I think it's worth testing it out on your own. Whether it works for you, great. If not, then you can just disable it, and still, like, your battery won't be that bad. But I'd still recommend trying it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.